Hello there. Today I'm gonna talk about one project that I have. I have to build 12 of those pieces what they are shown there in the picture, and right now I am making the design so it will be easier for me to see how it's gonna build and how they are gonna go, all the pieces and all the places for the pieces. So I start making the bottom and the top for the cabinet. That is the bottom, that is 150 millimeters from the floor for the kick space. Then the cabinet has 300 millimeters tall, and then I put the walls on the sides, and then the back of the cabinet, which is 60 millimeters thick MDF, the same like the hot cabinet. Then I am marking the legs, which they are 45 millimeters by 45 millimeter thick, and then I mark how height is gonna be the cabinet, and I extend the leg, and I start placing the legs in the places where they should be in the corners of the cabinet. Then they have the 300 millimeters space for the shelves, so I place the legs in there. After that I start marking the space where they should go. They are gonna be inside of the cabinet, so we can be able to screw and hold it in order to be stable. Then I start putting the top pillars for the cabinet and marking all the places where they should go. I copy and paste all the pieces and putting them in place. After that I start marking in the top and the bottom of the cabinet where the legs they are going through, so I can cut them and have all the exactly dimensions where I'm gonna make all those holes. That will optimize the time for me to build process of it. After I make all the holes, I copy paste those pieces what they're going to top, so I'm gonna put it inside of the cabinet, so they're gonna stabilize even more, and they're gonna allow me to put the sliders for the drawers. After that I am painting the front of the drawers, which they should be 2 millimeters far away from all edges or all around. And after that basically the cabinet is ready. All the more important dimensions for it they have been made in the computer. Right now I am making a template which I will print in the 3D printer. That is gonna help me to make all the holes for the dowels, and I am marking exactly the place where each hole will be. I'm gonna put 4 dowels in each of the joints in order to make them the strongest possible, and I try to put them the most center to have the same dimension, all of them between them, so if they are too close to the edge they can break the piece quite easily if they have some weight or some twist. So after that basically that piece will be placed in there and make the holes very easy with the 8mm drill.